3D printing is the process of creating a product layer by layer, like powder or wire-based processes instead of subtractive methods. Once destined primarily for prototyping, 3D printing is now being used for small production runs and developing spare parts. 3D printing plays a major role in sustainability, as today's trend is towards lightweighting in a bid to reduce energy consumption in the aerospace, medical, and automotive industry. In production areas where unique design or functionality is required, like for medical parts, this technique proves its worth. The printing process takes place within a closed chamber filled with a high-purity inert gas. This controlled environment minimizes the amount of harmful contaminants. Nitrogen and argon gas atomization of high-quality metal powders allows for a narrow particle size distribution. This production method is preferred because it achieves the desired superior geometrical, surface, and physical properties of the finished product. After printing, most parts still require heat treatment to reduce stress and improve their mechanical properties. The hot isostatic pressing, HIP process, uses elevated temperatures in a contained high-pressure atmosphere with high-purity inert argon to eliminate porosity and voids within the printed part. Contact us for more information.